Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92 HVAC work by Samiullah Khan 92. But today is not the topic about HVAC. It's a topic about the water pump of my car. This car is Hyundai Accent 2012. So the age of this pump is 12 years from 2012 to 2023 now. So it's 11-year age of this pump. You can see after 11 year what is the situation of this pump. So this is another pump I'm going to install in my car because that one old one is leak. Before there is a leakage in the pipe, I fixed the pipe, and then after one day I checked it again, but the same water is dropping from my car. So this is the seal of the pump between engine and this pump. So we put some silicone in this sealing gasket. So you put some silicone on this gasket to reduce the chances of leakage. And this is the pump, new pump we are installing. I'll show you later what is on the top of this pump because I didn't make the video from the start. I'll make the video later. Before I decided that I have to make one video for all of you to understand where is the pump of the engine, car engine, which makes the engine cool and smoothly it will work. So this is the pump. You can fix it here, and you can see we are going to tighten the bolts now. So make sure all the bolts will be fixed correctly and very tight because to reduce the chances of leakages. So this is the method to install the water pump of car engine. It's a Hyundai Accent car 2012 model. Most of the car have the same pump. You can see this is the dynamo which is generating the current for the current 12 volt current. So you can see how install the pump of the car. This is the pulley of the car on the top of pump, which is belt drive. This pump is belt drive. This is the pulley of the pump. So we're going to install now this pulley on the top of the pump and fix it correctly, make it tight on the bolts. It's very tightly to work correctly. So the belt drive pump. The way of installation. Now the pulley is fixed already. You can see it's working. We'll check after it. This we're going to install the dynamo car, which is generating the current to the car through which all the system is running. It is used to charge the battery of the car also and run all the lights of your car, indicators and backlights, all the system of the car working on this dynamo. Now fixing this, we're going to install the belt of the car. So we will install the belt of the car, and after that we will adjust the belt strength, how much strength needed for the car. We will adjust from here. This is the adjustment of belt. So you can adjust your car belt from here if you want to remove or install the belt. So you can use this adjustment to remove and install. So this is very easy to remove and install the pump of the car. So why I make this video for you, because to understand how to install the pump of your car, and you also learn from this video if you want to change your car dynamo. So it's also the used in also shown in this video how to remove the bottom of the car and how to change the belt of the car, how to change the pump of the car. This is in this video you can learn all the three things. So already everything is done now. Now we are starting our car and for some water. To start I am using this normal water because we just fixed the pump. If we will check it 1 or 2 days, if there is still leakage, then we will sort out the another problem, because before I change the pipe of the car. So this you can see must disconnect the power of battery when you are working in your car. So the car is start now. You can see it's running now. So it's all about the pump change, how we can change the pump of the car. If your car is stopping water, you will see some leakages, sort out the problem. So where is the problem, first we can sort out and then we can solve that problem. If you see this fully off pump, it's working now. This is the old pump. You can see how rusty on the inside, and this is the where it becomes leak. So this I am showing you again. This you can see, if you didn't understand how before how to install the pump, this I put again this video in this video in the last. If you can see, if you didn't understand, you can see once more this video in the end and solve your problem. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. This is Khan92. Like, share and subscribe my channel and watch the video further too if you didn't understand. Thank you very much.
Waterpump.